Hi, my name is Luis, and welcome to another video on how to repair appliances. Today I'm going to show you how to repair a GE microwave. In this video I'm going to show you how to repair a control panel. As you can see, this control panel is broken. It just moves out of the way. I'll show you more in the video. First, you start off by removing all screws that hold the cover. As you can see, I already did that. All the screws are already off. To show you an example of what screws you will be removing, basically all top, sides, back, and bottom screws. Now, before removing the panel, you have to remove this right here. This is simple. You just push back and you pull it up. After you take that off, take this away. You can push the panel back. Push the cover back. You open the door, and you see two screws here and here. You get a Phillips screwdriver and remove it. After removing the two screws, you just simply move the ground left and right. And it should come right off. After removing the grill, you'll have to remove this Phillips screw. Once you remove the Phillips screw, you just simply push up and pull back. And you'll have to remove these wires that are attached onto here. Notice that there is a ground wire still attached. Just simply remove that. Just a Phillips screw. After removing the control panel, you can see why it was broken. This latch here is still on, but over here it's broken. So you can see better. You simply, by removing the board, you simply pull this up. And you move this left and right, back and forth, very carefully. This guy does not want to pop up. After removing that, you just remove these screws here that hold the control board down. It's very simple. Just Phillips screw. After removing the control board, you get your new or used panel, which here I have a used panel, and you just simply put this down gently and carefully. Put it in place, match up the holes. Pull this up, pull this back in there. Then you push it back down and you lock it into place. After you have the holes all matched up, you put in the screws. After you have put in all 5 screws back to put the board, make sure it's secure, you just simply go back and basically do what we just did backwards. And I'm going to show you how. You attach square wire. These screws, they always go everywhere and they're so small to find. You simply reattach the wires to make sure they're secure. You pull up, and you pull it down. Then it should stay right there for you. You pull back the Phillips screw, that right there. You reattach the grill. You put back the vent cover. No, the vent cover also did have a screw that I removed before you guys got to see it. Put that back as well. And all you have to simply do is just put the screws back in the cover, and you're done. Thank you.